was feeling fed up with my router, so I decided to buy this. It's an Asus ROG Rapture GTBE 19000 Wi-Fi 7 tri-band gaming router. It came in this rather large box. It's not to be confused with the recently launched GTBE 19000 AI model, which so far hasn't made an appearance here in the UK. I picked up my GTBE 19000 for £414 in the recent Amazon Prime Big Deal Days event, though the current price is around £550. On the back of the box there are some details about the router's features. On the side here it states that my unit is hardware version 2.0, and despite being bought in October 2025, it was manufactured in 2024. Let's open it up. It turns out I'm feeling daring, so let's carry on. Helpfully there's a sheet of stickers that have stuck themselves to the box. Here's a better look at those. We have a blurry UK PSTI statement of compliance. Here's the router itself. Here we have the power adapter. A braided Cat6 Ethernet cable. UK and European plugs. Some safety information, a VIP member registration notice, and a quick setup guide. Here's a look at the bottom of the router. It has some of the same information that was on the side of the box, plus a pin and a Wi-Fi QR code. On the side here you have the power input, a power switch, and 2 USB ports. And on this side here you have 7 Ethernet ports made up of 2 10 gig ports, 4 2.5 gig ports, and a single 1 gig port. There's also a reset hole. Here's another look at the top, where you have this transparent panel with some kind of red metal shroud underneath it. I've now plugged the router in and set it up. Here's how it looks with the Aura RGB lighting on. You can choose from a range of effects, which I'm going through now, or just turn the fancy lighting off if you prefer, and you'll see that in a moment. Note that I haven't oriented the router as ASUS typically does, because that would lead to Ethernet cables stretching across my table. My first impressions of the router are that it's generally much more pleasant to use compared to my old one, which was a Netgear RS700. I'm planning to make another video going through the different pages of the web interface, so look out for that. That's it for this unboxing. Hope you found it useful.